In this video, I am showing you how I removed the curly bundles from her ponytail hairstyle. And right now I'm just cutting the thread with these, they're like little nail scissors. I like to use them because they're small. They really can get in between and underneath the weft and the thread, and it's just so easy to cut. This is very tedious and you have to be very careful when doing it. I'm kind of doing it at a semi-regular real time for you guys to see. Like, you want to make sure that you take your time and you just slowly remove, cut and remove. And again, I'm cutting on top of the weft so I can really see, but I like to use these scissors again because they are small. I believe these are cuticle scissors. But yeah. So you want to make sure you take your time and unravel. You can use the scissors to cut the actual weave once it is sliding down, but you still want to make sure you are being very careful. I can feel where her hair is because it is one solid braid underneath these bundles. So I pretty much know where to cut. And you do not want to do this on your own. You need to ask a friend, ask a boyfriend, ask a sister, a brother, a husband, whatever, to help you take this down. And that's pretty much how you do it. So continue to watch. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and follow, and you continue to watch how I remove this entire bundle from her hair.